Hello students, welcome to iSmart Technology. This video is about Java program for reverse the number. Suppose number is 1, 2, 3 and so we can say that reverse number is 3, 2, 1. In short, we have to reverse the number using this program. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss this line, import java.util.scanner. So util is a utility package and scanner is a inbuilt class which is used to accept the data from the user. Okay, now public class reverse number. So reverse number is a class name. So our program name is reverse number dot java. Reverse number is a program name and .java is a extension, means this program is developed in Java programming language. Now public static void main string args, main is a function which is executing a program. Main is a function which is executing a program. Now scanner equal to new scanner system.in. So this scanner is a class and this small scanner is a object of that class. Now system.in means we have to accept the data from the user. So here we have used the scanner object. Now system.print enter a number. So here enter number, here we have to enter the number. Okay, so now if we have entered the number 1, 2, 3, is it clear? Now here integer number equal to scanner dot next int. So integer is a data type, num is a variable and equal to scanner is the object of scanner class and next int is a method which is used to accept the value from the user. So using this line here we have taken num equal to 1, 2, 3. Is it clear? Here we have entered the 1, 2, 3. This number is stored in this num variable. Is it clear? Now initially we don't know, so rev num equal to 0. Here we have taken rev reverse number equal to 0. Now while loop, num is not equal to 0. Num is not equal to 0 means num is what? Num is not equal to 0 means 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 0. Condition is true. So condition is true, then we go inside the while loop. Here integer rem remainder equal to num modulo 10. Okay, so here num is what? 1, 2, 3 modulo 10. So modulo operator gives the remainder. So when we divide 123 by 10, so it will give the remainder is 3. So rem is 3, remainder is 3. Now we have to remember rem is 3. So here I have written rem equal to 3, remainder is equal to 3. Now we have to focus on this line, rev number reverse number equal to rev num multiply by 10 plus rem. Is it clear? So okay, so reverse number is last time is what? 0. 0 multiply by 10 plus remainder is what? 3. So 0 multiply anything, it will be 0. 0 plus 3, it is 3. So reverse number is 3. Now we have to check this line, num division or equal to 10 means num equal to num divided by 10. Is it clear? Num divided by 10. So number is what? 123 divided by 10. Here 123 is integer, 10 is integer. So answer is 12, not 12.3. You have to write down 12 because both are integer. So you have to consider only integer number. Okay. Here we have taken integer as a integer number is an integer data type. So num equal to 12. Now okay, so now again we have to go inside the while loop, right? Last num is what? 12. Is it clear? So here in while loop we have to check the condition. Num is not equal to 0. Condition is true. The condition is true. Again we have to go inside the while loop, and here integer rem equal to number modulo 10. So number is what? 12. 12 modulo 10. So 12 divided by 10. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Now this line rev num reverse number equal to last reverse number is what? 3. Okay, and multiply by 10 plus 2. So 30 plus 2, it is 32. So rev reverse number is 32. Now here num slash or equal to 10 means num divided by 10. So what is the number? Last is 12. 12 divided by 10. So here 1 will be the answer, right? When we 12 divided by 10, it is 1.2. But here both are integer, so we have to take num equal to 1. Okay, reverse number is 32 and num equal to 1. Now again we have to go inside the while loop. Is it clear? Again we have to go inside the while loop. So again we have to go inside the while loop. Num, clear? Last time here num equal to 1. Clear? Now rem equal to 1 modulo 10, because number modulo 10. Is it clear? So now here reverse number equal to, last time reverse number is what? 32 multiply by 10 plus remainder. Remainder is what? 1. 1 modulo 10, it will always gives the 1. Okay, now here 320 plus 1, 321. So reverse number is what? 321. Now num, here num division equal to 10 means number equal to number divided by 10. So num divided by 10. Num is what? 1. 1 divided by 10. So 0.1. Instead of 0.1 we have to write down 0, because both are integer. Okay, so num equal to 0, right? Again we have to go upside in while loop. Here we have to check num is not equal to 0. But here num is 0. So 0 is not equal to 0. Our condition is false. Our condition is false. So loop is terminated. Now we have to focus on this line. System.out.println reverse number is rev num, right? So if you want to display the message in Java, you have to use this method system.out.println, right? So out is an object and println is a method. Reverse number is what? Last reverse number is 321. So 321 is your answer. Now in last we have to close the scanner object, scanner.close. So we have to check the output. Now we run this program. So enter a number. Here we have taken 123 number. So output is 321. In this way you can check any number. Thanks for watching video.